Hi, I'm Matt Craven, CEO and founder of the CV and Interview Advisors. We've been helping professionals and executives to grow their careers for the last 17 years, working one-to-one with over 20,000 people, delivering our advice to close to 1 million people now in 70 countries around the world. Okay, so can I explain the STAR methodology? What is the STAR methodology that one might use on a CV or in different circumstances? So STAR is a communication framework. It is a way of communicating a piece of work or a project or an achievement that you might have done within your career. STAR is an acronym for situation, task, actions and result. So if you want to write on your CV an achievement and write that in a powerful way, you might write that in STAR. So you might describe the situation that the organization found itself in. The task is, including your job title, the task that you performed to solve the problem. The actions are the 5 or 6 things that you did to drive a positive outcome. And the result is that outcome, ideally having some tangible, measurable statistical evidence that you succeeded. On a CV, they should be 5 or 6 lines long, no more, and you can pop them on page 1. So STAR is a great vehicle for talking about your achievements and projects on a CV. It's also a great communication framework to talk through competency-based answers or answers to competency-based questions in an interview. So if you're asked to give an example of when you've influenced somebody, then you might think of an example, and the best way to describe that is to do that in STAR. So start by explaining the situation, your task, your actions, and the result. Now you can say situation, task, action, and result out loud in order to give yourself a foolproof framework to answer that question and prevent yourself from rambling. It's also a great communication framework in other situations as well. So for example, if you're writing a cover letter or a supporting statement, if you're putting together a case as to why you should get a promotion or a pay rise, having STAR case studies that you can draw upon to give tangible evidence that you've succeeded and delivered business benefits is a really great way to sell yourself.